How you can promote your business and not worry about what your competition is doing. Karina Heath here. Successwithkarina.com/newsletter will get you more tips and ideas like this. Use promotional strategies like online attraction marketing that captivates customers and that allows you to soar above the competition. Create video content that will separate you from others doing similar things because you're one of a kind. Record long-form video to show your customers the overall view and short-form video for specifics about what you offer. Weave these two video marketing strategies together, featuring benefits and solutions. Connect with your target audience in a way only you can. These videos can showcase what your target audience is looking for, resulting in lead sales and, in other words, success.